I was pouring out my trouble to a stranger in a bar about the problems and the pressure of a country is just all. How bragging and complaining about the money and the fame, just how long they life can be if you make yourself a man. I said, would you like to be? He said, thanks, I'll have it, brother. I worked up out to third, listening to all your trouble. And while he makes that claim, I'll smoke one little out. It might be lonely at the top, it's a bitch at the bottom.
because he's only 13 years old. He was coming, cooked no matter what. Last minute, his grandma decided to come give him a hand, and he never plays. Congratulations, bro. All right. So originally, what we're going to do, People's Choice was going to win the firearm. But I think we have a pretty good little turnout. I would like to offer another firearm. It's going to be for first place and also firearm for People's Choice. So first place is going to go to a Chaffly Arms with Philip Ellis. Philip Ellis actually made these right here. If y'all need anything done, is that considered embroidery? What you call this? Laser engraving. If y'all need anything done with a Chaffly Arms, y'all check him out. He supplied these plaques for us, so we're very, very grateful. Thank you. So first place. So first place was now that he's getting a firearm, and he provided the firearms, who would like to make an announcement?
Mr. Fisher, come see me, son. Come on. This young man has been talking about a pistol all day long that he was going to give to his sister. That way she had something to protect herself with, so we're going to go ahead and give him the gun.
Thank you, appreciate that. Congratulations, Jimmy. That should inspire all this young generation right here to come plug into our culture. Look at the impact on that kid. Thank y'all so much. Oh, stop it, you're making me get all teary eyed. All right, People's Choice. People's Choice is going to go to the Squirrel Sushi Rolls, Josh Cormier. Where you at, Josh Cormier? He's probably rolling some more sushi rolls somewhere. If you're not present, you lose your award. All right, guys. Well, People's Choice with Josh Cormier, wherever he's at, running around. We'll catch him later. Thank you, everybody, for participating. The cartoons are going to start at 7. The hayride and the games with the kids last till 5. Around 5 o'clock, we'll do trick or treat. You're welcome to pass out candy to your campers, decorate the tailgates, trunks of your cars, whatever you like to participate. We greatly appreciate all that. Okay. Trick or treat. If we can all gather here for trick or treat first, we'll give y'all a location of all the campers that's going to be giving out candy to y'all. Costume contest is going to be at 6 for the kids. The band's going to start at 7. When the band has their break time, halfway point, the adults can have their costume contest. Cool deal? Hope y'all enjoy yourself. Thank y'all.
in my heart, and then on the way. And today I started loving you, and I'm right back where I been already. I got over you long enough to let my heart is blue. And today I started loving you. Yeah, today I started loving you.